Hello guys, today I am going to explain you how to install Ruby on Windows. Ruby is a high level programming language and it is used for to automate the web applications and develop the web applications. And today we will see how to install it in Windows machine. Okay, let me open Google Chrome. Now here we will write Ruby installer. Okay, so here you can see the first link for Ruby installer for Windows. Let's click this Ruby installer for Windows. Here you can see the download button. If you click this download button, it will navigate to the one page where you can get a lot of Ruby exe files. Yeah, uh, uh, list of Ruby exe file with dev kit here. Okay, and here without dev kit there are a lot of Ruby exe files with particular version. Okay, so today here this is the first link for latest version of Ruby with dev kit, Ruby 3.0.2. okay, this is for 64-bit machine. Okay, so you can see also 2.7.4 and 2.6.8 version as well. Okay, so if you'll click this, it will go to download in my system. Okay, let me click this and you can see the downloads has been started. I'll pause this because I don't need to download here right now. I have already downloaded into my system previously. Okay, so let me open where I have kept it. Okay, so this is the D drive. Okay, here in the Ruby folder I have here I have kept it Ruby installer file. So let me double click on this file, so it will start installing into my system. Okay, so this is the screen for the license agreement. So I will keep I accept the license radio button and click the next button. Here in this page you can see the destination folder. Okay, installation destination folder, and setup will install Ruby 3.0.2 with msys2 into the following folder. Okay, so this is the folder where our Ruby will go to install. Okay, and this checkbox is for add Ruby executables to your path variable. Okay, so let me, this is the default options, so I don't need to change anything. Let me click the install button. Okay, now this is another screen which components should be installed. So these are the defaults, I don't need to change anything. Okay, let me click this next button. So now you can see the Ruby installation has been started. So after then we will edit our system variable for path. Okay, so we'll take the bin path of this Ruby and 30 hyphen x64. Then we'll edit the path variable. So we need to wait up to few minutes to install all the files. Now here we can see the Ruby installation has been completed, and this is the last screen. Setup has been finished, has finished installing Ruby 3.0.2. okay, with msys2 on your computer. Okay, so let me click the finish button. So this command prompt cmd.exe has been opened. Okay, so these are the like msys2 base installation. So the I will go for the default installation. I will click only enter. So this will going to install by itself. So now you can see our installation has been completed. So next step is we need to edit the path variable in the environment variable. Okay, let me search environment, edit the system environment variables. Okay, let me click the open, and I will click the environment variables. Here we need to update the path variable. Okay, and we need to add this path variable. Here you can see in the C folder ruby 30 minus or hyphen x64. Okay, let me click this, and this is the bin folder. Okay, and this path, this up to bin folder, up to this path we need to copy, and we need to add here. Okay, so this is the path we need to add. Okay, now click OK, click OK. Okay, so now let me close this. Now open, let me open my PowerShell, Windows PowerShell. Here I will type some commands. I will see whether Ruby is properly installed in my system or not. Okay, now I will type ruby -p. You can see the Ruby 3.0.2 has been installed. Okay, and we can also type ruby -version. Now we'll type gem -p for gem version. Okay, 3.2.22. okay, now gems list. It will show all the list of gems that has been system installed in our system. Okay, and we can see the gem source as well. Okay, now we can run, let me clear this. Okay, we can run ruby command here as well, ruby -c. Okay, let me run puts something. I am new to Ruby. Okay, and it has been printed I am new to Ruby. Puts command is for to print the statement. Okay, there is a command called irb which will show us a cell where we can write our Ruby commands as well. Okay, let me click this. You can suppose I'm typing puts, same thing I will type. Suppose this is my fast Ruby, okay, program. You can see this is my fast Ruby program has been printed. Okay, you can also add some arithmetic commands. 2 plus 3, it's 5. Okay, 90 minus 49, 41. Okay, so we can see all this Ruby program has been working also. Okay, so we'll exit from this PowerShell, and also we learn how to install Ruby in the Windows, and we have already checked it has been properly installed. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. Okay, thank you.